Hello students, as we all know that this year Maharashtra board has already provided us the question bank for each and every subject for 12th standard HSC board examination. Today I have come with the question bank for 11th standard students. So this is the question bank for arts, commerce and science students for IT subject. So you can see that the first question is related to the filling the blanks. So in total we are covering all the chapters filling the blanks. So this is what is the first filling the blank. Dash stands for World Wide Web, normally referred as web. So it is www. Next is dash is a simple text file created using HTML. So the right answer is web page. Then we have dash is a collection of web pages containing text, images, audios and videos. So the right answer is website. Next we have dash is used to view the web pages or websites on the internet. So the right answer is browser. Next, a dash is an application or a computer that sends web pages over the internet using the HTTP protocol. So the right answer here is web server. Next, dash tag is used to create a form. So the right answer here is form tag. Next we have dash keyword is used in the conditional if statement. So you can just use if and you can also use if else. So else is the right answer. Dash is a keyword used to declare a variable. So whenever you want to declare a variable, you write var. Next, dash is a set of physical components that a computer system requires to function. So the right answer is computer hardware. Hardware is a physical component, right? Next we have computer storage and memory is often measured in dash and dash. So the right answer is megabytes and gigabytes. Then dash software is a code-free software available freely to copy and modify. So the right answer here is open source. Dash are the basic units for storage. So that is nothing but storage. Then we have next question, next filling the blank. Dash is used to create text with multiple lines. So if you want a single line, you use only text. If you want multiple lines, you use text area. Next, dash is the area of law that deals with the internet, cyberspace and their respective legal issues. So it is nothing but cyber law. Then next, everyone should know the dash and its features to safeguard themselves from the cybercrime. So the right answer here is IT Act 2000. Next question we have here is state whether true or false. So the first one is ICT is the foundation of economy and a driving force of social changes in 21st of century. ICT means information communication technology. So the right answer here is true. Next, data is required to take short-term or long-term decisions. So this is wrong. It is false. Information is required to take a decision. Data cannot be directly used to take any decision. So because of that, it is false. Next, the word computer is derived from Latin word compute. So this is false. It is derived from the Latin word computere. Next, output unit helps the user to enter the data and commands into a computer system. So this is false. It is never used to enter the data. Output always displays the data. Next we have RAM is known as read, write, memory. So it is true. Next, the command line interface is when user interacts with the computer using text. So this is true. Client server architecture, all the machines are called as peers. So this is false, because in client server either the machine is client or it is a server. In the case of peer-to-peer network, the machines are called as peers. Next, Post Office Protocol version 3, that is POP3, is a protocol used for receiving email from remote mail services. So this is true. Data does not help in decision making. It is true. The privacy rule in a database means only the authorized user can access a database according to its privacy constraints. So this is again true. Sharing of data means that the data is accurate, consistent in the database. So this is again false. Next, int is used to store the integer value. Correct. So this is true. In one-to-one relationship occurs when multiple records in a table are associated with multiple records in another table. No, it is false. Only one record from one table is associated to only one record of the another table. Next, a web server is an application or a computer that sends web pages over the internet using HTTP protocol. So this is true. Next, unauthorized access means gaining access without the user's permission is also called as unauthorized access. So this is true. Let us move further with multiple choice questions. So here we have which tag is used to specify a line break. So you have options like PR, BR, HR. So the right answer here is BR. Next, which tag displays text in bold and with largest heading levels? So we have options like H6, H1, H2. So H1 is the largest heading level. Next, which tag is used to insert an image within a web page? So the right answer is IMG, that is image tag. Next, fourth one, dash is a protocol used by the WW to client server communication. So the right answer here is HTTP protocol. Next, HTML provides dash level of headings. We all know it is 6. H1, H2, H3, H4, H6, H5, H6. Next, which tag is used to insert an image into a web page? So it is IMG, image tag. Which tag is used to display the horizontal ruled line? So it is HR tag. Dash is used to create different controls. So to create a different controls, we always used input tag. Next, a dash who illegally browses or steals a company's or individual's private information is called as hacker. A dash is a legal right that gives the creator of a literary, artistic, musical or others creative work for the sole right to publish and sell the content is copyright violation. Next, dash is a criminal practice. It is not copyright violation, it should be only copyright. Copyright is a legal right, not copyright violation. The option is wrong. The answer is copyright, only copyright. Dash is a crime practiced where an individual uses the internet to systematically harass or threaten someone. So it is cyber stalking. Next, a dash technique of extracting confidential information such as a credit card number or a username password is phishing. And then we have 13th multiple choice question. Dash is presenting someone else's work or idea as his own work without his consent is plagiarism. Next, dash is a method of converting original message into random text. So that is encryption. And the last MCQ is the group of one or more columns used to uniquely identify each row of a relation is called as dash. So it is primary key. Now we have next question, multiple choice questions with two correct options. So two types of primary are, primary means the memory. So primary memory are RAM and ROM. Next, the secondary storage devices are USB and hard disk. Next, there are two types of memory, that is primary and secondary. Next, the categories of software. So software are of two types, that is open sourced, closed sourced. Computer software can be classified into two types. One is system and second is application. Next, operating systems for personal computers are DOS and Windows. Next, operating system for mobile phones are Android and Asha. Next, there are two main ways to interact with the computer. So those are CUI and GUI. Then next, dash and dash, most widely used types of network architecture. So one is client server and second is peer-to-peer. Next, example of popular DBMS are MySQL and PostgreSQL. Data type in the DBMS are char and varchar. Next, DCL commands are grant and revoke. Only two data control language commands, that is grant and revoke. DDL commands are create and alter. Let us move ahead with multiple choice question with three correct options. So the first question is, there are three types of relationships in a relational database design. So they are, so one is one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many is the right answer. So next is DML commands are, so it's insert, update, and this is with three options correct. So it is insert, update, and delete. Next we have attribute of IMG tags are, so it is src, height, and width. Next we have question like answer the following questions. So you have several answer the following questions. Then you have write a code of the following. So this is an HTML code which you can see here. And then we have the case studies. So these case studies are from the question papers, like we have the question papers which are based on cyber law, the crime of the cyber law, and on the basis of that these case studies we have collected. Okay, so these are the two case studies, and you have to read the case studies and you have to answer the questions accordingly. So this is the question bank for IT subject for 11th standard students of all the streams, that is arts, commerce, and science. So I hope it is helpful, and kindly take a benefit of it to write in your board examination. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.